How to add muted words in Openvibe right here. So also you can filter unwanted content from your feed. So how to do that? So to do that, all we need to do is open up our Openvibe right here. Once we open up our Openvibe right here, on the bottom right corner you will see your profile right there. There, profile right there, press on profile right there. After pressing on profile right there, you'll be located right here in your overview. Here at your overview, next thing you need to do right here is on the top right corner, you will see a settings icon right there. Press on the settings icon. After pressing the settings icon right here, next thing you need to do is go down to our privacy. Here at privacy, we see moderation. So here at the moderation, all we need to do is press on moderation right there. After pressing on moderation, and you will see on the top muted words. So right there, you can click on muted words. After pressing on muted words right there, here you can put in some action right here. You can put in some warm right there. Decide if you want to completely hide affected posts, displayed warning before view. There you go. So we can view. And there's a warning right there. And here on the top right, add a via Mastodon or via Blue Sky right there. We can choose Mastodon for example. But now we're just gonna go back. And we can mute it on all networks if you want, or on a selected network, depending on you. But yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you mute in here in Openvibe. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question or concern, stop with the question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here on Guide Glimpse. Thank you, and bye bye, guys.